What's up YouTube, it's Skater6554 here with another bike check. I got some new parts, a front wheel and a rear wheel. Let's check them out. Start from top. I got ODI long necks in orange, purple barons. We got the stolen big boy handlebars, Eastern Strangler stem, purple hardware. Let's see, we got the Eastern Dragon forks, Animal GLH front tire and back tire, Eastern Quadrant rim, laced to Vandoro 2 hub, front hub. We got the Eastern Access 2011 frame. We got the shadow seat with the purple shadow logo. Kink universal seat post, pivotal, exposure sprocket. There. My chain's a little tight. We got the Demolition Zero back wheel, Animal GLH tire. It says it right here. Demolition Zero. We got the Eastern directional back hub, Eastern hub guard, Eastern hub guard. We got the Odyssey twisted pedals, exposure sprocket, whatever, I said that already. Cranks, Eastern cranks. That's my bike, guys.